Hello everyone. I have to put some lotion on my hands that have some black seed oil in it because my hands are killing me. But I'm going to do something even different. I'm going to put some damn gloves on my hands because I can't be washing my hands today. I got to cook later on, so I'm going to see if I can keep these on for a while. But guess what happened to me? I was at the store and okay, this is my receipt, and this is somebody's receipt. She got $5 off every. What the freak? What? What? This person got $5 off 30. Like, oh, come on now, let's not even try to figure this receipt out. Okay, you see all of this stuff here? This is what her receipt is. She got $5 or 30 coupons all the way down there. Whoever, she, he, whatever. And the total was $51. And then they had a savings of $5 something. I don't know. They use coupons, put it that way. Anyway, I don't know. They got a lot of cream cheese, a lot of fruit punch, drink, and all that other stuff. But I'm going to scan this receipt, and hopefully I don't get myself in trouble because obviously they left it at the store. So I'm hoping, because you lose all your points if you scan receipts other people scanned. So, but this was in the shopping cart. Okay. I don't care if it's 25 cents. It's still a coin. I was telling my daughter yesterday, I said, those 25 cents add up real nicely. And you already know I like 25-cent add up if I like 10 cent from a survey. Boy, don't play around with me. Ooh, my hands are so sore. 25 cents. 25 cents. Now, I don't think I'm going to get more than 25 cents on my receipt because I don't think this phone is so sensitive. You go touch one thing and then you end up with another. But I got to make sure I don't have no more receipts in my bag. And I don't put my bag on the floor. So don't worry about me putting my bag on my counter. Now, I found somebody's receipt. And I'm going to tell y'all, if y'all be leaving y'all receipts in the shopping cart, y'all need to be thinking yourselves because there's people that really need these points. You have no idea. Oh, I got something was, hopefully nobody took my package. I see a receipt that means something was delivered to my house today. This is my receipt. 25 cents. Now this is somebody's receipt. Oh man, this one was more than 14 days old. What the blows and skirts is he doing out there? That store was so cold. Now, of course, my head and my body wasn't cold, although I didn't have a coat on. My freaking hands were cold. 25 cents. And 25 cents. So I think that was like 75 cents. Oh, oh, oh. $0.25. Now I have a receipt here that shows, so either my Walmart package was delivered or it's on its way, but in order for them to give me my points, it was delivered. So it wasn't in front of my door when I came. So it's either a neighbor is holding it or someone stole my package. And I'm not going to assume the worst. So I want to stay in spirits of thinking that a neighbor was kind enough to tackle my package for me. And my fingers are starting to feel better. That black seed oil, honey, I don't know who sent it to me, but thank you. Lord have mercy. Okay, now, I went to the store today, and I picked up some stuff that I wanted and some stuff that I may need for whatever meal I'm going to make. But I got my dill pickles, and what I'm going to do is put my regular ketchup, my one single dill pickle in the blender and make my ketchup. So I got me a spray. I don't use so much flour, but I wasn't going to leave it because I don't plan on going outside. I'm making my pizza. I bought my pepperoni. I don't even see it. I'm making pizza, so I got me some pasta sauce. I got me some pepperoni, and they have these beautiful seasonings for 39 cents, 49 cents. You know I wasn't leaving that there. I got onion. I got garlic, and does anybody see my pretty bag? Yes, yes. And then I went to my other store, and I got my, I don't know what this flavor tastes like, but I wasn't leaving it there. And I normally don't get lemonade, but I got lemonade. I got so many of these because I need my sweet stuff, but I'm not drinking any sugar. Not right now. I don't plan on drinking sugar at all. I'm going to continue to drink what I'm drinking. Now, I did get some cold cuts, and I just picked up some pepperoni, which I didn't realize, but I went to 2 different stores. So, I could have sworn I picked up lemon. Okay, that's fruit punch, that's grape, that's raspberry, and that's fruit punch. So, I didn't pick up lemon. Okay. And I got some more, some bologna. And I got some hard salami. Oh, I did get lemon. I got lemon right here. I'm going to try the lemon today. I love my little bag, let me tell you. So, this is minced onion, and this is garlic powder. Put them right there. Now I need somebody to help me with my my dough. I ended up paying $5 for this butter and didn't know I was gonna find it, and I ended up paying $7 for this on Amazon today. And trust me when I tell you, I did not want to shop on Amazon, but when you see what I purchased for the price, Amazon did a major discount on some stuff today. I was not leaving it, and trust me, I didn't want to shop there, but I said, honey, I'm not gonna shoot myself in the foot. Nah, not me, not living on Portville Lane. Not me. No. Now I got Prego with meat, although I wanted rails. I gotta try rails one day. I just didn't have the budget for it, not today. And my daughter is a fanatic for this coffee. Not this one. It's called Taster's Choice, but it's like very expensive. I thought this would be comparing to it, so she and I are gonna taste it. I'm most likely going to my daughter's house today. Maybe not. I don't know. Oh. And I went to Amazon. I wanted some vegetables, and their vegetables was $1.30, I believe it was. And then I went to Google, and I Googled Lidl's, and theirs was $3. So I knew off the rip I was getting 4 of them. I apologize for that, but sometimes you have to be mindful of what you put in your refrigerator, you know what I mean? So sometimes when I'm really tired, like I am now, I don't get to use soap and water on my stuff, but sometimes I do, and I just got a little energy for that right there. And the rest of them I'm going to put right here because I'm using them today, so I get to wash them. I get to wipe them in a few minutes, but for right now, just for my counter. And my friend online said in order for it to be, you have to do it with soap. So I'm just gonna, oh no, I don't even have to worry about this. I just pop this open. And just drop them out. Okay, now I got another Prego with meat. And then I got this here. I don't believe I like this, but I still bought it. And of course, you know, having a dinner, I guess. Now I'm gonna put some mozzarella cheese on my pizza, and of course I bought some Bars ham. Love this Bars ham. And you know, I'm buying my bacon because I can get it now for $4. And I got some onions, garlic that's minced, and I poured some ground cinnamon. Wait until you see what I have to go downstairs in the car and get. But I'm gonna be a good girl right now and show you. Boom! Yes! I gotta change the water real quick. Yes, Tina. Yes, my daughter's gonna make her little garlic. That is beautiful. Now, you already know I used all of my onion the other day, but look what it grew. This grew up from yesterday, and I got a little bit more little stringies inside the bowl. My friend was here cooking. You know he's not my friend, right? I don't like to use that term, so we're gonna say someone special was here the other day. And he was cooking. He said, "Can I use that onion over there?" I said, "Yeah, you can." But then I gave him one of these in the bag. I said, "Oh, use the whole onion." Now, this right here is supposed to taste like rotisserie. So what I plan on doing is just eating this whole by itself. You might have noticed I didn't buy any bread. Oh, boy, I want some bread. And I did buy sugar just because sugar goes in my pasta, boys and girls. But I plan on probably eating maybe one serving, cause and I really love this jelly. I already have some. It's reduced sugar, and I like the jar. You know I saw that jar. So this is my pizza dough, and it says New York pizza, so hopefully it's good. But I'm probably gonna try to make my pizza sometime today. Um, I don't know anything about this. You know, I don't have any tools to do it or whatever, but I'm gonna make my pizza. Now, can somebody tell me if 13.37 is expensive? Because I didn't know. I just wanted to cook some ribs. Not only am I going to cook some ribs, I'm going to make my own sauce. I'm going to use some mustard, some ketchup, probably some onions. I'm making my own sauce, boys and girls. It's going to be popping up in here. Yes. I'm going to be one of them fake gangsters. Okay, I got this beef thing. I don't like the price. Aldi is much cheaper, but it's okay. I don't know what this is, so before it gets cooked or whatever, someone could be so kind to tell me, because I just thought to reward myself with a little treat this time around. This chicken thighs, I'm gonna cook the whole bag at one time in the crock pot, of course. Thank you. It's empty, and beef, what you call it? So, whew. What was I thinking? Oh, I'm so tired. I actually have to figure out some form of meal. It's gonna be something I can eat with my fingers, so most likely it's gonna be some of this rotisserie meat. But for right now, I'm gonna end my video, turn on my water, start doing some washing down, and putting away. But of course, you can see me leaning on this wall. I'm having a little bit of pain in my left leg, so hopefully these gloves work to put my phone away. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. No, the gloves don't work. But Tina, thank you so much for making me feel so much better. You just don't know what you did, making me laugh when you said, I had to laugh a little. I'm feeling like I'm gonna end up breaking down. But I'm trying not to. Trying to stay positive.